Is your iPhone 17 inbox starting to feel cluttered? One simple way to clean it up is by moving emails into dedicated mailboxes or folders in the Mail app. This helps you organize important messages and keep your main inbox easier to manage. Here's how to move emails from your main inbox to another mailbox on the iPhone 17 series. First, open the Mail app and go to your main inbox. Tap Select in the top right corner of the screen. Next, choose the emails you want to move by tapping the circle next to each email preview. You can select multiple emails at once. After selecting the messages, tap the folder icon at the bottom of the screen, located between the flag and trash icons. You will now see a list of all available mailboxes and folders. Tap the mailbox where you want the selected emails to be moved. The selected messages will then be removed from your inbox and transferred to the chosen mailbox. To verify, tap the back arrow to return to the Mailboxes screen. Find the mailbox you selected and tap it to open. You should now see the emails you moved inside that folder. If you want to move emails to a new mailbox, you'll need to create one first. To do that, go back to the Mailboxes screen and tap Edit in the top right corner. Next, tap New Mailbox in the bottom right corner. Enter a name for your mailbox, choose where it will be saved, tap Save, then tap Done. Once the new mailbox is created, return to your inbox, select the emails again, and choose the new mailbox you just created. You can also use the same steps to move emails between different mailboxes anytime. And that's it. If this video helped you organize your inbox, give it a like or watch another video to learn more useful features you can use on your iPhone 17. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more quick tech tips.